Hey, I'm hanging out in my bathroom. I wanted to show you this set of 6 bath towels. Now, the brand did send these to me. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know. Let's just talk about for a second how absolutely huge the couple of these towels are. You're not going to be able to get the whole thing in the frame. These are 40 by 80 inches, okay? They will absolutely cover this entire door. I'm really loving the loop that they stitch on here. Check that out. That is perfect for hanging. And what that's going to allow you to do is dry this off in between uses rather than having to like fiddle around and try to hang this over the top like that. Sometimes it'll slip off. Now you have a loop. These are microfiber. This is like an 80% polyester, 20% nylon. They're a little thinner. So like if you can see that, kind of give you an up close, they're thinner, but they are microfiber. So if you're familiar with microfiber, you don't need a thick microfiber towel. They're highly absorbent, and because they're thinner, it's gonna dry quicker for you. So that's the big one. They're giving you 2 of these hand towels. These are gonna be great to drape over in the bathroom. Then they're giving you 2 of these washcloths as well. And then of course, you're getting a second giant bath towel. The whole set is hanging from that hook. If you were to price these large towels out in a big box store, you'll see that they're pretty pricey. So I'm loving the value that you're getting with this entire set. I'm always looking for a great value. I want to get the most amount of product. I want to get the best quality I can for the least amount. And I feel like this fits the bill. So definitely check this set out. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.